Since the 1920s, AP Exhaust has serviced the automotive market with quality replacement exhaust products. Known today as AP Exhaust Technologies, the AP brand is recognized throughout North America as a leader in parts coverage and technology. AP manufactures and distributes a complete line of automotive, light truck, performance, and heavy-duty exhaust and emissions products, including mufflers, exhaust pipes, and catalytic converters. AP's additional product brands include ANSA Import Exhaust, Truck X Fleet Exhaust, Accelerator Performance Exhaust, and Silverline Performance Exhaust. Altogether, AP's product lines include over 10,000 part numbers for model years going back as far as 3 decades. With over 450,000 square feet of manufacturing space and over 250,000 square feet for warehousing, AP has the capacity to more than double its production output. AP deploys new technologies and state-of-the-art processes, resulting in a turnkey operation that effectively links product design, manufacturing, sales, and distribution into a model of efficiency. The foundation of the AP operation is the integration of design engineering, manufacturing engineering, and machine and tooling expertise. New developments in rapid prototyping and the use of SolidWorks 3D computer-aided design systems that are integrated with CMM machines for precise dimensional measuring facilitate consistent accuracy between departments and expedite product development. These pre-manufacturing aspects of the business create a solid platform for developing and maintaining the highest level of customer service and satisfaction by improving time to market and the continuous release of new products. AP employs advanced automation, robotics and computer-controlled monitoring, and statistical process controls as part of its quality and production management systems. The manufacturing schedules are tied directly to sales. As inventory levels change, orders for those parts being sold are instantly sent to manufacturing for replenishment. Wireless computer networks and barcode tracking systems monitor every part as it moves through the manufacturing and assembly processes and into inventory. Almost everything manufactured at AP begins with rolled coils of steel. At the Steel Processing Center, special machines slit these large rolls of steel into various widths to accommodate the many sizes needed for making components and tubing used in manufacturing. As the tube-making process begins, the steel is drawn into the high-speed tube mill and pulled through a series of roller dies that progressively shape the steel into a uniform, round circumference at high capacity rates from 300 to 400 feet of tubing per minute. The resulting seam is then welded, and flash irregularities are removed before re-aluminizing to prevent corrosion and improve appearance. The tubing is then cut on the mill to various lengths. On an average day, AP processes over 125,000 feet of finished tubing. Some is sent directly to customers in bundles, but most is used as feedstock for exhaust system component production within the factory. AP forms and bends tubing from 1.5 to 5 inches in diameter. The smaller diameter tubing is used in automotive products, and the larger sizes are used in the heavy-duty markets. Both mandrel bending and compression bending techniques are used in the factory. Mandrel bending creates a premium product by inserting a precision mandrel inside the tube during the bending process, which produces a smooth, aesthetically pleasing appearance by maintaining the full inside tube diameter throughout the bend area. The use of mandrel bend pipes aids in reducing exhaust system back pressure, while compression bending is used where exhaust pressure flow is less critical. Throughout AP's pipe manufacturing department, 24 CNC pipe benders allow for flexible production scheduling and minimum tool changes for accurate, predictable results. Dedicated welding areas are used to assemble the complex pipe componentry into fixtures that secure the parts as they are welded into finished assemblies. These high-capacity exhaust pipe manufacturing processes assure that parts are in stock at all times. Additional manufacturing capabilities help expand and fulfill our mission of providing a full line of exhaust system components to all of our customers. Heavy-duty and industrial products are an important part of our business, and AP has invested in the equipment needed to support the demand. Heavy-duty 3.5, 4, and 5-inch pipe benders and large-diameter flex tubing production machines provide AP with the capacity to service the semi-truck, school bus, and the heavy-duty markets, including agricultural and industrial applications. AP offers customers muffler design options for virtually any vehicular application. Muffler dimensional cross-section capabilities range from 4-inch round to 8.5 by 11.5 inch oval. This production capability allows the design engineers to replicate the original equipment product in form, fit, and function. Muffler subcomponent parts such as shells, baffles, and end caps are stamped and formed from the raw material coils prior to assembly. Complex sheet metal stampings are formed using 400-ton stamping presses and progressive dies, which perform multiple cutting and forming operations with each cycle of the press. AP utilizes a number of other press lines and forming equipment to stamp, shape, and size additional components and subassemblies for use in muffler assembly lines. All muffler assembly lines are designed for maximum output, providing enough capacity for any level of demand. Immediately upon completion and inspection, each AP muffler is staged in the welding area, where additional components are added, or packed in a shipping box and moved to the distribution center for stocking. Wire bending capabilities allow AP to make the broad variety of unusually shaped hangers required to attach exhaust systems to the vehicles. For each vehicle model, every exhaust system is different in size, shape, and configuration. For that reason, AP uses assembly fixtures for each specific exhaust system. As part of the integrated manufacturing process, these fixtures serve as the quality control template throughout production, assuring accuracy and consistency for the assembly and welding processes. Advanced materials and state-of-the-art production methods come together to produce industry-leading designs for emission control products. Both universal and direct-fit catalytic converters are produced at the AP factory. Catalytic converters are engineered to meet governmental standards for the purpose of converting harmful exhaust pollutants into cleaner emissions before they are released into the atmosphere. For this purpose, AP uses ceramic and metallic catalyst substrates coated with a solution of precious metals that reacts with the exhaust gases coming from the automobile engine. These technologically advanced catalysts are processed at our coating factory to OEM performance and reliability standards. On the converter assembly lines, these substrates are wrapped in a protective thermal mat that secures and protects the substrate, which is contained in a welded stainless steel shell. Stainless steel materials are used throughout the converter production process for enhanced durability and longer product life. Direct fit catalytic converters are assembled in welding booths. AP utilizes robotic converter welding cells for even more efficiency and throughput. Engineers program the robotic welders for complex welding patterns, assuring reliable, consistent, and accurate results. As you have seen, virtually every area of production is linked to some form of welding, manual, automated, or robotic. The proper welding technology is integrated into each process, and an array of welding cells support the production department's needs for muffler, pipe, catalytic converter, glass pack, or resonator assemblies. Newly manufactured parts go directly from the factory to the distribution center for packaging or stocking in preparation for future shipments to the customer. While most orders are received via EDI electronic communications, the Order Processing Center is always busy taking special requests over the phone and assuring a smooth transition from order entry through fulfillment. As in manufacturing, barcode scanning in the distribution center sustains an accurate count of new inventory received and its location within the warehouse. Customer orders, when received, are sent directly to handheld scanners that instruct the order processor on location of the part and the quantity needed. At over 250,000 square feet and with thousands of parts and components ready for immediate shipment, AP's distribution center is a model of efficiency. Whether receiving, stocking, picking, packing, or shipping. From the distribution center, parts are routed to customers in all 50 states, across Canada, as well as overseas. AP Exhaust continues to make significant investments in its technologies and its manufacturing and distribution facilities, ensuring a bright future as a major supplier to the automotive aftermarket. This commitment to continuous improvement results in lower costs, improved inventory management, higher quality, and most importantly, customer satisfaction. AP Exhaust Technologies is a world-class exhaust and emissions company, providing core integration of all manufacturing processes, from sheet steel to finished products. AP is committed to being the best in the business.